Hey, what's up, y'all? Today we are looking at LeetCode question 2540, minimum common value. Your boy got a new haircut, you know what I'm saying? I got that fresh fade on the side, and we about to crack this problem. So given two integer arrays, num1 and num2, sorted in non-decreasing order, return the minimum integer common to both arrays. If there is no common integer amongst nums1 and nums2, return -1. Note that an integer is said to be common to num1 and num2 if both arrays have at least one occurrence of that integer. So it looks like you just find the intersection of the two lists, and then you take the minimum of the intersection. So we could turn both lists into sets, find the intersection of both sets, return the min of the intersection, else return -1. I'm going to say it's O of n plus m time, because you have to, well, when you find the intersection of both sets, I assume you would have to go through every element in num1 and num2. So I believe it would take O of n plus m time, maybe. So let's crack this thing. So we're going to turn both lists into a set. I'll call it set 1, set 2. And then find the intersection of both sets. Intersection equals S1 and S2. Return the minimum of the intersection, else return -1. Return, oh my goodness, min. Okay, we'll call it mini. I cannot type, oh my goodness. Mini equals min of intersection. Return mini if, well, if mini, else -1. Alright, let's try this. Nums2 must be non-decreasing. I knew it. Okay. Okay. I had to change the test case because I feel like if the intersection was empty, oh my god, oh my goodness. It's very hard to think. Like I was saying, I had to change the test case because I feel like when the intersection was empty, it would throw an error, and it did. So I had to put in the default. And then I forgot to slap in the return statement, and I got a runtime error. So silly. But thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed my solution, and see you tomorrow.